Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to access the headlight bulbs. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To replace the position light bulb, remove the body side cover at the top of the headlight and turn it counterclockwise. Grasp the plastic cap and pull it out with small back and forth movements. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, grasp the body side tab at the bottom of the headlight with your fingertips and rotate it to the left. All of it should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Perform the reverse operation for reassembly. To change the H4 bulb on the full and dipped beams, remove the cover on the radiator side. Remove the electric connector from the bulb, pulling on the back part of it, not on the wires. To undo the bulb, you must move towards the outside of the clips of the holding stud. Rotate the clip to the right and remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, carefully check that you put it in the right way round. Spot the location of the positioning pins. Then reassemble the metal clip. Replace the connectors. Reattach the protective cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.